Yeah, because I really like it because, you know, I get to charge my phone and, you know, keep charged and, you know, yeah, keep charged and connected. Yeah, and oh, this is a pretty good view now, look. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
It's pretty down here when you look at the
Yeah, there's Poole Hospital and the Amazon building and, oh, Hamworthy, where the yachts are. Yeah. Really? Whereabouts in Hamworthy?
I didn't know where.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely.
I know Hamworthy. I sometimes go through there on the 8 you know, via Tyler Moor. Yeah, I really like that bus. It does a loop around Poole.
Good at the bus station when people don't know where they're going.
Yeah, because
Be able to tell them what bus to get.
I know,
You
because
should work for the bus service.
yeah, because I'm pretty good with the buses here in Poole and Bournemouth. Because the information. Yeah, because some of the buses I like is the frequent ones, the M1 and M2, because both of them go to Bournemouth and Royal Bournemouth Hospital and Southbourne. Yeah, because from here to Southbourne on the M2 will only take you about dead on 45 minutes.
You're very expert.
Yeah, because the 3 and the 4, because I'm just gonna see.
You should win the world record.
Yeah, the world record for knowing all the buses.
And all their stops.
Yeah. Yeah. Just wait. Wait a minute. Ah, that too easy. Oh. Can't see the other 40.
Yeah, they must be far behind.
Yeah, must be far behind.
Even going super speeds a bit jump off.
Yeah, well, it was really nice seeing you two.
Yes.
Enjoy your day in Poole.
You too. Enjoy your day.
Thank you. Bye. Right. Anyway, so here I am on the 40 from Warren Rouse. Here I am on a duplicate 40 from Warren Rouse station to Poole bus station. This morning I'm on 1142 HW09 BBU. As this bus is running a duplicate due to 1109 being busy. So ETA to Poole bus station 11:20 a.m. 11:20 a.m. or 11:22 a.m. We'll see what bus. I'll see what time we get there. Right. Poole bus station next.